Hey guys, how's it going? So I wanted to make a quick video today talking about legal fears. So a lot of the land investors that I end up talking to, a piece of their, some people, a big concern seems to be like they're scared, something going wrong with the land deal and they're them getting sued or something like that. The one thing I'd like to say, I think that is incredibly harmful. And I remember really struggling with that earlier stages in our business where I'd be like, oh, is our contract perfect, right? Like our owner financing contract. And what if we miss this or what if we miss that? And one thing I would like to say is like, I think there is it's an important thing and you want to pay attention to it, have it looked at by a lawyer or whatever, but I wouldn't spend time dwelling on it or not wanting to do the land business because you're scared of like legal stuff. So the way we kind of combated that is we actually just hired earlier last year we hired Sebastian from Founders Council, and he's kind of like our legal counsel for anything that's legal related, and we just let him handle it. And it's a line item expense that we add to running our land business, and we don't let it stop us from doing land deals. It can create a lot of stress if you're always like worried about it. But again, it's just part of doing business, and yeah, if you have a good team and a plan to handle it, you'll be fine.